Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to do transition with flare of sun. So I have two clips that I have prepared in the timeline. You can download sun's flare footage from the link in the description. Drag and drop this footage between the clips. Now choose this file and in the Effect Controls panel, in the Blend mode, change it to Screen. Excellent, and all we have to do is to place this footage between the clips. Something like this. And let's see what we've got. And that's all. With this footage we can do this transition. Remind you one more time that you can download this footage from the link in the description. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.